BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are here to do a DIY. Y'all really like these DIYs, so I thought I would come back with one. I want to make some air fresheners for my car. So I was looking on TikTok and stuff, and I came across this one, and I'm like, I gotta try this. So I thought I'd bring it onto the channel and show you guys as well. All you're gonna need for this DIY is some Unstoppables. There's also other brands. Honestly, it's up to you what you want to get, but get these like bead type fresheners. You can go to the Dollar Tree, and in the wedding area, I think they have some party favor bags. At my Dollar Tree, they were out, and I didn't want to go to another Dollar Tree to go look for them, so I just got Tool. But if you want to skip a step of like making a bag, just get those and it's gonna be a lot faster. So I got Tool, and then I got string. And if you're putting this all the way around your house, it's probably gonna be cheaper just to get this and the string rather than the party favor bags, because I think it's only like 10 party favor bags, which is kind of a lot, to be honest. So just, you know, judge it on you. Like, if you feel like you're gonna be doing like 20 of them, like, go ahead and just get this. And then the last thing you're gonna need is some scissors. Okay, so all we're gonna do is cut some Tool. Gonna grab your Unstoppables. You're gonna pour some in. Hopefully you're not as messy as I am. Okay, and then you're gonna fold these in to itself like that. Fold this side into itself like that. And then we're gonna grab these sides. Oh my goodness. And then we're going to tie it. Like that, and like that. And then you're gonna use some string, cut your string, and then you're going to tie her down. So I went on ahead and made some more, and I'm gonna stick this all in my car. They smell so good, guys, so good. So yeah, you can stick these in your trash can, in the car, around the house, and eventually your house is gonna end up smelling these, and your car is gonna end up smelling these. So that is it for this video. I hope that you like it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.